Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today we're taking a look at some of the best home screen widgets that you can get for your iOS 17 device. Most of these will actually be very useful, and of course they will make your home screen look much better. And we're starting things off with AllMyBateries. Now this is a really useful one. It allows us to take a look at the battery percentages of all of your devices, of course as long as you have the app installed on each of these devices, and of course you have them connected to the same iCloud account. Now with the free version you can just monitor here up to 3 different devices. If you want more, of course you will have to pay a premium subscription. So we have all kinds of different home screen widgets here. We have this one for a single device where you can edit it and of course choose which device you want to show there. You have this one with 3 different devices, and you have your main device here, other devices here, and you have one with those circles right there that indicate the battery percentage. That looks really cool. Now when you go here into the app, you will have your devices here, and of course you can tap the plus button to add more devices. You can choose between different Apple devices, or of course you can choose Bluetooth devices that are near to you and just connect them to your app, and then of course have them showing up here on the home screen. Next will be Simplesong. Now with Simplesong you can have a music player on your home screen that looks pretty cool, like that one right there. I can tap the button, of course it's interactive, so I can tap there to start playing a song, which is really cool, and it looks really nice. And we have other ones here like the small one, that's just a play and pause button that you can have on your home screen. And then we have this one right here that looks like an iPod. Of course here you can change between different songs, and you will also have the play and pause button right there, which is really cool. So these are interactive, and you will have even more of these. If you just take a look at the widget section of this app, you will have like 7 or 8 or maybe even more widgets that you can add to your home screen. The next one will be this widget by Widgy. Now Widgy is a very popular app when it comes to widgets, and it has new widgets every day, and in this video we're going to take a look at this one right here, which is really cool. It actually lets you have like different folders on your home screen with different apps. So we have spending, notes, utilities, and media right there. So if I tap on media, you will see that it will actually expand, and we will have all these different apps right there. And tap on show less, of course it will move back to the home screen of the app, and then we also have all the different other categories. Tap right there again, you can see it expands it, and of course it does work. So if I tap right there, it will actually open the app in which we tap. Widget is the next one. You can actually customize this, and it looks pretty cool. So you can see right there, I have actually set an album that will just change on the background there from my photos, and in the meantime showing the battery percentage right there. And then we have this other one, I have my activity here, the battery, the time there, and just like an emoji right there. So you can just basically create any widget you want with this app. So you go to new widget right here, you will have Unos. Basically you're displaying something, whether that will be maybe the time or the battery percentage or anything you want, and then in the background you can have your photos. Then we have duos here where you can have like 2 different elements, trios, and you have of course quattros as well, where you can just add like a bunch of different things. So you can see right here we have all of these different elements, and when it shows them right here, you can tap on one of them and of course change them to anything you want from this list, or even just use like a random emoji. Lock Launcher is the next one for the video. Now Lock Launcher, first of all, was released as an app that allowed you to open apps from the lock screen via live activities, but now you can do that from the home screen as well, of course, as the widgets now on iOS 17 are interactable. So I can just simply tap an app right there to open it, and I can have any app I want here from this app. Of course I can just go to this app, have the list here, I can add more apps by going here, or I can even add like shortcuts or websites, or just like a custom link that I want to, and then this will of course display right on your home screen. So you can create like a second dock for the home screen of your device. We can have all your favorite apps, and of course with different sized widgets as well. Outside is the next widget for this video. This allows you to track like different dates, different events that will happen in the future. You will have them on your home screen like that. You can tap here to switch between the list, and of course this view which shows you your like closest event that will happen from the list that you have on the app. And you will have a smaller one right here which shows you like the next 2 events split in half. It looks pretty cool. And we have the smaller one here. Again, it shows the list and then it shows one of the main events. Now tapping on it, of course, you can go ahead and customize this. You can add like even different colors here, and of course customize the background with different pictures and anything you want, and the pictures that you add there will of course show on the widget as well. MoYo Widgets is the next one for the video. Now, I have previously featured this app on one of my videos, but it's actually really awesome and it has recently been updated with new widgets which are pretty cool. You can see 3 of them right here. We have these folders with apps which of course we can open from here, and then we have that one with 2 apps rotating there. It looks pretty cool. Of course that works as well, and even this right here, even this will work. So if I tap right there, it will open the Twitter app, even though it looks kind of like pretty messed right there, but it's really awesome. Now going into the app, what you will be able to do is go to icon launcher. If you want to use any of these that you saw right there on my home screen, we can go to this one. For example, you can see we can actually rotate the iPhone and just place those icons anywhere we want, and then just tap the save button and the widget will be saved on that position. So the icons will show on that position on your home screen, which makes it pretty cool. Now of course it has other widgets as well, like time and clock there, the X board, which shows you all kinds of like different information regarding your device. You can see how cool this is. You will see everything there, and of course you can even customize these with the backgrounds and the colors, and even add your own pictures to the backgrounds. Usage is up next. Now Usage is a pretty old app, but it has been updated with widgets and it's pretty awesome. It shows you everything you need to know, all the information regarding your iOS device. Like right here we have our seller usage at the top right there. Of course you enter your plan into the app and then it will show you how much you have used, how much you have left. Then we have the battery, a pretty cool battery widget right there. We have the RAM memory and the storage as well, which again is pretty cool. Now into the app, if you go to the widgets section, you can actually build your own widgets. Just go here and pick whatever you want to add there, the background, whatever elements you want to show there, like different graphs or different like informations regarding the battery or anything else for your device. Dork Noise is up next. Now Dork Noise has recently been updated with interactive iOS 17 widgets, and of course you can play these sounds directly from here. We'll have a play and pause button right there. You will have this one with like 2 different noises, which of course any one of them can be invoked from the widget, and then we have like the medium one with all these like sounds, which of course you can go ahead and play from here. And last but not least is Quike. This is another widget app that I've shown before, but since it has been updated with some pretty cool widgets. We have one right there that allows us to open apps. Like we have here 2 different apps, so you can see I can open Twitter there, but if I tap at the top, it actually opens shortcuts. And then we have this game right here, so you can load any image you want on this widget from your library, and then you can play this game. Basically it's like a puzzle game which allows us to try to actually fix this image, place all the squares in the right place, and of course just make the image as it should be. So it's kind of cool and of course very fun to play, but it's also very hard to actually get this right. But if you want to try it out, you can just place any image you want there and play a game right on your home screen. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for more, and I will see you on the next one.